Autodesk coupon codes save big on your next purchase. If you're looking to purchase Autodesk software, then you'll be pleased to know that there are plenty of great deals and discounts available. With eCoupon code, you can find the latest Autodesk coupons and discounts to help you save money on your purchase. The fastest way to get these discounts is by clicking on the link in the video description below. Here, you will find a range of Autodesk coupon codes that can be applied to your purchase. These codes are updated regularly, so be sure to check back often to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Whether you're looking to purchase Autodesk software for personal or professional use, these coupon codes can help you save big. From discounts on individual products to money off your entire purchase, there's sure to be a deal that suits your needs. So why not take advantage of these great offers and save money on your next Autodesk purchase?